Wrong way, mate. Recovery truck. I've got a joke for this one. Welcome back, Revved Up family. We're here again, car spotting at Caffeine Machine, the Hut. It's one of our favourite places to go at the moment with the family, and it's a fantastic place to go and see all the cars. I believe the theme of today's meet is German cars, so enjoy. Nice. So you're going to do a little rev for us, or you might do?
Yeah. Even better.
Sounds good. Oh, she's a bit squeaky. See you later. You pulled away very slowly. I've got a joke for this one. Why did the truck carrying logs get pulled over? Because it was overloaded with parking violations. Got wrong way, mate. Not doing their job, are they? Good up. This guy's a fan of auto, Alex. Right, we're going the other way. Rear bumper. I think his bumper's alright. This guy's putting his Caffeine Machine merchandise in his frunk. About the only thing you can fit in it. Oh no, he's pulling in. Bob Rob. Recovery truck. That's a Volkswagen. Maserati. Oh, he missed the bumper, he's alright. Sounded good. going to get his bumper. Oh, nearly. Is this guy trying to say he's a snob? But that sounds nice. Oh.